Our spot Bitcoin ETFs record 8th consecutive day of inflows totaling $202 million. Bitcoin ETF BlackRock's IBIT fund attracted $224.06 million. Last updated August 27, 2024 at 12 GMT 3. Author Ruholamin Haqshanas. Author Ruholamin Haqshanas. About author Ruholamin Haqshanas is a contributing crypto writer for Cryptonews. He is a crypto and finance journalist with over 4 years of experience. Ruholamin has been featured in several high-profile crypto author profile share, copied last updated August 27, 2024 at 12 GMT 3. Why trust Cryptonews? With over a decade of crypto coverage, Cryptonews delivers authoritative insights you can rely on. Our veteran team of journalists and analysts combines in-depth market knowledge with hands-on testing of blockchain technologies. We maintain strict editorial standards, ensuring factual accuracy and impartial reporting on both established cryptocurrencies and emerging projects. Our long-standing presence in the industry and commitment to quality journalism make Cryptonews a trusted source in the dynamic world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews spot Bitcoin. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs in the United States have registered their 8th consecutive day of positive net inflows. On Monday alone, these funds accumulated a total of $202.51 million in inflows, indicating continued investor interest in Bitcoin despite recent market fluctuations. The most significant contribution came from BlackRock's IBIT fund, which attracted $224.06 million. The fund's largest single-day inflow since July 22, according to data from Social Value. Other funds remain stagnant. Meanwhile, other spot Bitcoin ETFs have shown relatively muted activity compared to BlackRock. Franklin Templeton's EZBC and WisdomTree's BTCW saw minor positive flows, bringing in $5.52 million and $5 million, respectively. However, not all funds experienced gains. Bitwise's BITB led the outflows, losing $16.61 million, followed by Fidelity's FBTC, which saw $8.3 million move out of the fund. VanEck's HODL wasn't immune either, with $7.18 million in outflows. The remaining funds, including Grayscale's GBTC, reported no significant movement. Trading volume for spot Bitcoin ETFs on Monday was $1.2 billion, a sharp decline from the $3.12 billion recorded last Friday, indicating a return to more typical trading levels. Since their inception in January, these funds have accumulated a total of $18.08 billion in net inflows. In contrast, U.S. spot Ether ETFs continue to face challenges, marking their 8th consecutive day of net outflows. Monday saw 13.2% $3 million withdrawn, led by Grayscale's ETH, which lost 9.5% $2 million. The overall market reflected this bearish sentiment, with Bitcoin trading down 1.54% to $63,077 and Ether dropping 2.26% to $2,689 at the time of reporting. Crypto investment products see inflows. Last week, digital asset investment products experienced inflows totaling $533 million, the largest in 5 weeks. The increase followed remarks by Jerome Powell at the Jackson Hole Symposium, where he hinted that the first interest rate cut could happen in September. Although trading volumes were slightly lower compared to recent weeks, they still reached a substantial $9 billion for the week. The United States led with $498 million in inflows, while Hong Kong and Switzerland also recorded significant inflows of $16 million and $14 million, respectively. Germany, on the other hand, saw minor outflows amounting to $9 million, making it one of the few countries with net outflows year to date. Bitcoin attracted the most attention, with $543 million in inflows, primarily on Friday after Powell's dovish comments, highlighting Bitcoin's sensitivity to interest rate expectations. In contrast, Ethereum saw outflows of $36 million last week, despite continued inflows from new issuers, with the Grayscale Ethereum Trust offsetting this. with $118 million in outflows. A month after the ETH ETF launches, the new Ethereum ETFs have accumulated $3.1 billion in inflows, partially offset by $2.5 billion in outflows from the Grayscale Trust. Blockchain equities recorded inflows for the third consecutive week, totaling $4.8 million. Follow us on Google News.